Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into M&T Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To log into M&T Bank, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official M&T Bank website URL. Once the page loads, look for the login button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your M&T Bank username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check your entries to ensure they are correct. If you are using a public computer, consider unchecking the Remember Me option for security reasons. Once you've confirmed your information, click the login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the respective links underneath the login fields. Follow the prompts to recover your login credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From there, you can manage your banking tasks and access various features. Make sure to log out when you are finished, especially on shared devices. To log out, find the Log Out option usually located in the same area as the login button. Click it to securely end your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.